Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the call level right now. While on a call, press the side volume buttons to raise the in-call speaker. Once done, make sure the ring/silent switch isn't muting audio and open settings right arrow sounds and haptics right arrow ringer and alerts to raise system volume. Next, disable Bluetooth briefly so your iPhone isn't sending audio to headphones or a car. This rules out routed audio. These immediate steps separate phone settings from accessory problems and get you audible fast. Once basic checks are done, dive deeper into software. Go to Accessibility right arrow audio/visual and toggle phone noise cancellation and mono audio to see if they affect clarity and level. Then make a test call on speaker and again with wired earbuds to determine whether the earpiece hardware is at fault. Also check settings, right arrow general right arrow software update, and install any iOS or carrier updates. Because firmware fixes sometimes restore correct audio routing and volume behavior. If the problem persists, back up your iPhone and use Reset Right Arrow Reset All settings. This clears audio, network, and preference conflicts without erasing data. If Reset All settings doesn't help, perform a full DFU restore after a backup, or try a different SIM and a Bluetooth speaker to isolate carrier versus hardware issues. Finally, take the phone to Apple or an authorized service provider if the earpiece remains quiet. Hardware repair is common. If nothing works, contact your carrier for call quality checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.